Sure. Here is an overview of Sudo with a code example. What is Sudo? Sudo is a program that allows users to execute commands as another user, specifically the superuser or root. The sudo stands for substitute user do. The root user has administrative privileges to the entire system, including the ability to change files that other users cannot change, install software, and configure system settings. Sudo is typically used by system administrators to perform tasks that require root privileges. However, it can also be used by regular users if they need to perform a task that requires root privileges, such as installing software or changing system settings. How to use sudo? To use sudo, you simply type the command you want to execute, preceded by the word sudo and your password. For example, to install the package nginx using sudo, you would type the following command: sudo apt install nginx. When you type a command with sudo, you will be prompted for your password. Once you enter your password, sudo will execute the command as the root user. Code example. Here is an example of Python code that uses sudo to create a new user account. Import subprocess. Def create _user, username, password, # create the user account. Subprocess. Call, sudo, user_add, username. # set the user's password. Subprocess. Call, sudo, password, username, stdin equals subprocess. Pipe, input equals password. Encode. If name equals main, username equals new user. Password equals password. Create _user, username, password. This code will create a new user account called new user with the password. Tips for using sudo. Only use sudo when you need to. Use sudo with caution. Use a strong password for your sudo user. Do not give your sudo password to anyone else. Conclusion. Sudo is a powerful tool that can be used to perform many tasks on a Linux system. However, it is important to use sudo with caution and only when you need to. If you are not sure whether or not you should use sudo, it is always best to err on the side of caution and not use it.